Hi, I'm Cider Magic, and I'm gonna do the cinema challenge again.
Get closer to the camera when you do that. Well, show your tongue. Show your tongue to the camera. Come on, get close. Oh yeah, that's pretty. That's pretty stuff going on right there.
Well, it was working.
Well, what were you doing?
Sucking on it, probably.
No, that was. I don't know.
Okay, my tongue and my teeth, here, I push it up again so it wouldn't go back any further. Yeah, you stop it?